Okay, so the name of our team is Tech Pirates, and the problem statement that we're applying for is advanced reverse image search and profile creation. So the task that we have been given is we'll be given an image, and we have to search for that image online without the background information, and we have to scrape the data about that image or that person, and we have to create a profile and we have to show it to the user. Okay, so the idea that we are trying to propose over here is let's take an example. The police or the law enforcement has a picture of mine and they want to track me down using that picture only. So what they can do is they can run the picture for a Google reverse image search. But means what I have tried is I tried this thing and I did not get any significant results. Means if I give a picture of mine, I won't get my name and occupation and all is very long shot. So the problem is that Google has a very huge database, right? And I'm quite sure that if I type my name down, I'll get one picture of mine that I uploaded at some point of my life. But the Google reverse image search, it cannot recognize that image with the image that I'm uploading now. So the idea that we are proposing is we'll have two parts. One part is the crawler. The objective of the crawler will be it will crawl the internet 24/7 for images and it will detect a face in an image. If a face is detected, then it will run the image through some algorithms, which will give us the age, the gender, and the nationality of the individual that we have found in the picture. So what we can do is we can categorize that picture, that individual into some categories. Like it might be a teenager who is an Asian and a male. So we have plenty of information for someone to be searched. And suppose at some point of time I uploaded my profile picture on Twitter. So that data is available publicly. So when I created a profile on Twitter, I must have given my name, my occupation, my location, and other data, my date of birth, and things like that. So what we can do is the crawler will scrape that data out along with the picture and add some additional data to it, and it will store this data rich content in a database. That database will be our private database. So we have a 24/7 updated database for any picture that will be uploaded on the web. It will get crawled by our crawler and it will store some information about that picture in our database. Now comes the searching part. So the example that we saw earlier, suppose the law enforcement has a picture of mine. Now what will they'll do is they'll run the picture through our module, and what our module will do is it will remove the background of the picture and it will run the picture through similar algorithms that we ran earlier to find out its age, nationality, and gender. So what we have is we have some search criteria. So if I upload my picture, the algorithm can predict that I am a teenager. My age range would be around 18 to 25, and I'm a male, and I'm a Asian. So I'm an Asian. So my search criteria is narrowed down to three criterion, and what the reverse search will do is it will search for faces only, which unlike Google will search your face for it will match your face with a mountain. It will match your face with a beach or a food item, which is a wastage of time. So our database will only have pictures that contains faces along with some important information about that face. So this will help us to achieve some this will help us to achieve an accurate result. Okay, so this is the solution that we propose in pointers. We'll just have a look at them in the next slides. So first we'll crawl the web for images. We'll scroll the web for images 24/7, and whenever a face is detected, we'll extract the facial information like the age and the gender and the nationality. And what we'll do is we'll store the image with the metadata. So the image along with the data that was available on the web plus the data that we extracted using our algorithm like name, age, and the age, gender, and nationality will be stored in a database. Next, what we'll do is the law enforcement, they will upload a picture of the suspect that we want to get a profile of in the UI that will provide in our website. And the algorithm will remove the background of the image to means so that the results are based on the face only and not the background. Next, what we'll have to do is we'll perform a reverse image search on the database that we are maintaining 24/7 using the crawler, and will display the profile of the suspect that we got from the database. So we'll get some information like the name, age, gender, nationality, and and his occupation, location, and things like that. So whatever information we scrape from the internet will be displayed as a profile on the website of a program. So that was our idea. Thank you for having a look and have a nice day.